Hello, good day. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, welcome back. We're back just with a quick update on Zionix Global. All right, if you haven't checked out this project, you want to check it out, go to www.aitradingbot.info, get signed up. All right, now I came out a day or two ago and shared with you guys a new updated video from the CEO on some updates and changes that's going to be taking place. That's already taken place, supposed to be effective yesterday. If you missed that video, I'm gonna put that link in the description so you can go check it out. But then she also did her regularly scheduled every Friday presentation as well. But go check that one out, link in the description. Today I just want to do a quick update because I'm going to do a withdrawal. This will be my second withdrawal with Zionix Global. All right, now, but before we get into that, just disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, not here to advise you guys of anything. Just here to educate and share with you what I'm doing with my crypto and this project that came upon me, and I decided to take a risk and put my crypto in it because there's no guarantees here, guys. We can't guarantee you of anything, of what you're going to make. Any of that. We actually could lose our crypto. This program could be here today and gone tomorrow. All right, so make sure you're using risk capital before getting involved with this, real estate, stocks, any of those things. It's all risky, right? There's no guarantee with anything. There's no guarantee when we're going to wake up in the morning, right? So just want to be clear on that. And so I decided to take a risk, put my crypto in this thing because I hadn't been in a crypto project in, I can't tell you when, because for me there wasn't anything out here really worth paying attention to, because everything was here today, gone tomorrow, nothing stable. It's been a while, right? So I decided to do it. So anyway, I just want to document it and show you guys what I'm doing with it and how is it going, because if it don't work at any point in time, anything, I'll come back and share that with you as well, because this is my journey of what I'm doing with my crypto. Doesn't mean you have to. All right, so anyway, let's get into it. Zater Capital, Zionix Global is transitioning, and as she discussed in that video, that the link is in the description, that CEO update, the website and everything is going to be switching over as well. It's going to have a new look and all types of things. And remember, this is not just a crypto trading ecosystem. They're going to have training and education in this as well. So that's going to be great for folks that want to learn how to trade themselves and get educated on cryptocurrency. That's going to be a part of this whole ecosystem, okay? So anyway, I just want you guys to see, I'm going to do a withdrawal today. It'll be my second one. If you take a look here, I've got 4 packages in here. My first package, I started on 9/3, as you can see here. I was just going to test it out with $131. And remember, this is crypto, so it's crypto in, crypto out. So I put in $131. I started with the starter pack. That's what I have on all 4 of these. There's no guarantee. Again, it's up to 1% a day. We don't know what it's going to come out to be. But again, I said, let me check it out. I'm 24 days in on that one. And the ones that we have in here as the new rules that they have going forward, any crypto you put in now is going to be locked in for 180 days. Okay, that's 6 months. You still can get it out, but it's going to be a 30% early withdrawal fee. Right now, for those of us that's already in here, if you have packages already in here, these are going to stay as is. But if you withdraw it out and put it back in, the new rule will apply. Okay, so these I can actually pull out here. It's 24 days, so in 30 days come, I can actually take these out. But if I go back and put a new package in, it's locked for 6 months. And if I want to take it out, it's 30% early fee, right? So anyway, I got 4 packages in here. And so we're almost 30 days on this one, but I'm more than likely going to let it sit in here. So we got 4 in here, right? So let's take a look at what the way it's set up. 3 steps: fund the account, purchase a license, and activate your bot. So there's a yearly licensing, okay, that you'll pay one time once a year per bot. All right. So we have over here, let's take a look at what they've got. Hold on. All right, here's the bots. As I said, the current one is 30-day window. The new process is going to be 180-day window. So anyway, here's the package, the starter pack. That's what I have. Minimum deposit is $99. Standard pack minimum deposit is $249. Advanced pack minimum is $24.99. The Elite pack minimum is $10,499. The VIP is $21,499. So you pick, get in where you fit in. Again, only use risk capital, right? That's to activate the bot. And then they have the licensing here. You see here's mine, $149 for that license. But here are the licensees. Starter pack $149 per year, standard $199, advanced $249, elite $299, VIP $549. Once a year, you have to pay that, all right, for your license. All right, pretty cool. But as you can see, let's look at what we've got going on, and then we're just going to do a withdrawal. All right, so you can see the total deposit into this platform was $574. Remember, I had to get my license, that was $149. So my bot is working off of $544. Okay, and then I have gotten 3 referrals. I think only 2 have actually made a deposit. But at any rate, here's my referral. But look at what, because I came here for the passive. That's what the other thing I want people to see. You don't have to tell anybody. You can just sign up quietly, earn your passive rewards with your crypto, and go on about your life, right? So this will work without referrals. So with the with just the passive, with the bot doing the work, it says my total profits is $50, and in my wallet that I can withdraw from is $36. I've already made 1 withdrawal. It was $12, but they take 3%, so that brought it down to $11.64. So the withdrawals do work. I received it in my wallet, and I showed you guys that when I did it. All right. So today I've got 36 over here. I'm going to go ahead and withdraw that. So that's what I'm going to do today. All right. So if you want to get started, you want to first fund your account. Put in the amount. Click fund account. That's step 1. Type the amount. Click continue. And then it's going to show you the different cryptocurrencies that you can deposit into the platform. And then it's going to give you the wallet address to send them to. Okay. And then you're going to purchase your license, and then you're going to activate your bot. Okay, and you're going to be ready to rock and roll. So what we're going to do, and I've done videos on this, so you can go back and look at some of my videos showing you how to do each step. All right, so today let's do a withdrawal. I'm going to click withdrawal, right? See, that was the first one, and if you come down, you'll see here, right here on 9/11, I did my first withdrawal. So this will be the second withdrawal. So let's go to my wallet, ZDAF wallet. It says I have 3651 here. And I'm going to go with 36. All right, I'm going to hit continue. It's going to send me a code too. I'm going to do TRC20. Okay, so TRC20, and it says put your wallet address in there. So let's do that. Hang on. All right, we grabbed our wallet address, and we're going to hit continue. Are you sure you trust this wallet? Yes. All right, it tells me it's a $3 transaction fee. Remember, a withdrawal fee, $3. All right, and so I want to request my OTP, and it's going to send me an email. Hang on, I'm going to pause it. All right, they emailed me the code. I'm going to hit submit. Oh, uh-oh, I got to do this. Hang on. All right, screen froze up. There we go. Look, zeroed out. So we go back to balance. I had to pause it because my screen froze. All right, if you look here, ZDAF wallet. All right, it's only got 52 cents, and they just sent me an email. You get an email with a code first of all, when you request a withdrawal, it sends you a one-time password code, okay? Then you put that code in, and then it also sends you another email to say, okay, we received your request, and it has the wallet address that you requested the withdrawal to go to. All right, so you get an email. I like this system that it does that. All right, and I highly recommend you adding 2FA as well, guys. So you can do this from your computer or your smart device. Doesn't matter. It's very user friendly. So let's take a look. We just, we zeroed that out. We click on withdrawal, right? Comes here, look. Right here, it shows that it's processing. Last time I did it, it hit in about an hour, but don't panic with that. It tells you here it could take up to 24 hours, okay? So just give it 24 hours, all right? Just so happens mine came through fast that particular time, but allow 24 hours. There's the request, and that's pretty much it. Really simple, the process of withdrawal. And as I said, if you want to get started, again, make sure you use risk capital. It's crypto in, crypto out. You fund the account. Step 1, put the amount. Once it shows up in this area here, it's going to show right here in this ZDAF, the amount you give it time to show up. It could take 8 hours. It could take up to 24 hours for your crypto to show up. Once it shows up, you come here. Step 2, purchase your license. Which license do you want? Right? Process that. Then once that processes, click activate, and you come down here, and you would just click here, whichever package you want. Right? You would just click it. Like for example, let's say if I wanted this right here, click it, and it's going to say, well, which wallet is the funds? And it's in your ZDAF because you have no referrals, right? And it says for this particular package, the minimum deposit is $99. You can put unlimited deposits in here, put their amount, hit process, and it'll take a little time. It'll show up over here somewhere on the right, like pending or something. And once it says active, then your bot is ready to roll. And there's nothing for you to do but just log in and watch it. All right, minimum withdrawal is $10, okay? $10, and it's going to be a 3% fee, okay? That's the other thing. Minimum $10, because that's what I waited for to see if the first one was going to go through, all right? That's pretty much it. It works on its own thus far, and like I said, I'm documenting it every step of the way, whatever's going good or going bad. All right, and that's pretty much where we are, and I'll come back when that hits another day, show you guys, pull the wallet up so you can see that it actually hit that wallet. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Make sure you like the video, all right, and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Go check it out for yourself if you're interested, but do your own research. Here is how you can get signed up with me at www.aitradingbot.info. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.